కేంద్ర ఆరోగ్య శాఖ సూచిస్తున్న సూచనల మేరకు ప్రజలు మరింత అప్రమత్తంగా ఉండాలని యానం పరిపాలనా అధికారి అమన్ శర్మ అన్నారు. కేంద్ర ఆరోగ్య శాఖ సూచిస్తున్న సూచనల మేరకు ప్రజలు మరింత అప్రమత్తంగా ఉండాలని యానం పరిపాలనా అధికారి అమన్ శర్మ అన్నారు. కొత్త వైరస్కు సంబంధించిన అంశంపై ఆయన మాట్లాడారు. కరోనా వైరస్కి సంబంధించి యానం నియోజకవర్గంలో ఇప్పటివరకు 2500 మంది మొదటి డోసు వేయించుకోలేదని, ఇంటింటికి వెళ్లి తిరుగుతున్నప్పటికీ కూడా వేయించుకోకపోవడం చట్టవిరుద్ధమన్నాడు. కరోనా వైరస్కి సంబంధించి మొదటి డోసు వేయించుకోని వారిపై చట్టపరమైన చర్యలు తీసుకుంటామని తెలిపారు. ప్రతి ఒక్కరూ కరోనా నిబంధనలు పాటిస్తూ యాక్టివేషన్ పూర్తి స్థాయిలో వేయించుకోవాలని సూచించారు.
So, good evening to all dear residents of Yanam. As all of you are aware that recently new variant of coronavirus called Omicron has been reported from various countries across the world. In this regard, this variant has been designated as variant of concern by World Health Organization. Already, Government of India has issued alerts to various states to carry out corona vaccinations and testing at high rates. Based upon the field data which we have received from Health Department officials, so out of around 38,800 eligible residents for vaccination, nearly 36,000 residents have already been vaccinated with first dose. Approximately 2,500 residents are still left out. These are generally the people who are resistant to vaccination due to various fears. Health Department officials, including medical officers, will be visiting door to door to explain them that vaccine is safe. Daily 70 lakh people across the country are taking vaccine, and they are taking all the residents who have still not taken their first dose of vaccination to take their doses immediately. Today morning we have instructed all our ANM Asha workers to visit house to house of all those residents who have not got vaccinated till now. I request all of you to kindly cooperate with Health Department officials and take your vaccines. At the same time, those residents whose second dose of corona vaccination is due, you may also kindly take your second doses as and when they become due for you. Don't forget to follow COVID protocol. While in public, please maintain social distancing, wear masks, and please desist from unnecessary crowding and gatherings. Please stay aware. Please follow COVID protocol. Otherwise, we may see third wave of coronavirus impacting us in near future. There should not be any doubt in the mind of anybody regarding the safety of the vaccine. I request all of you again, please take your vaccination doses. If we are not taking vaccine, we are not putting only our health in danger, but we are putting the entire community at the risk of coronavirus infections. Even after repeated request and without having any health issue, if somebody is not taking vaccination, then administration will be forced to initiate action under Epidemic Diseases Act. Hence, I request all general public to please cooperate and achieve 100% vaccination in Yanam.